Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a delicious potato cake with ham and cheese. The ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need 3 eggs, ham, cheese, butter, milk, anise seeds, and cooked potatoes. So here in a jar, I'm broken 3 eggs and we are going to beat it. Now I'm gonna be adding milk and continue beating. And finally, we will add anise seeds and salt and pepper to taste. In this mold, we are going to smear butter, and meanwhile, we're gonna heat the oven at 350. Now we are ready to add the cooked potato on the mold, then a little bit of mixture with eggs and milk, a layer of ham, cheese, and again potato, and repeat the process over and over. Now we are going to end up placing potato on the top, a little bit of cheese, mixture with eggs and milk, and butter. The butter will help to make this golden brown. Finally, add anise seeds. And now let's take the potato cake to the oven. Wait a minute, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right now. So now you are ready to bake the potato cake for 15 to 20 minutes at 350. And look, my delicious potato cake smells so good. Guys, this recipe is simple, delicious, and easy. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She always be part of my recipes every Wednesdays, and she has her own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.